Welcome to my series on probability distributions. This is a 23-part video series where we talk about everything you need to know about probability distributions. Now, if you are new to probability or maybe want to do a refresher or maybe you are advanced level probability guy, this is a series for you. I don't know of a better series that you could follow probably for probability distributions. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything I will go through in this video series so that you can decide whether to pursue this series or not. So we start with probability basics, where we cover the different properties of probability. We cover discrete and continuous distribution. We cover probability density function, probability mass function, and cumulative distribution function. Then we talk about uniform distribution that generates random number. We also talk about normal and t-distribution that models real-world events. We also talk about gamma distribution, exponential, Poisson, and Weibull distribution that is used to model even norm, time, and also survival analysis. We also have these distributions: Bernoulli, binomial, multinomial, geometric, hypergeometric, and negative binomial that are used to model event outcome. We also have two very special distributions, beta and Dirichlet, that are used to model probability of probabilities. I think you will find it quite interesting. Next, we have two distributions such as F distribution and chi-square distribution that are used a lot in significance analysis in order to compare random variables. So I mean, up until chi-square distribution, we simply cover the probability distributions. Next, we talk about the moment generating function, which are used to generate a lot of important properties that help to identify distributions. And we also give examples of how to derive moments for discrete and for the continuous case. Then we talk about sampling, an extremely important topic. We help you to visualize how sampling actually works. And also we talk about the algorithm that are used to sample from discrete distributions and from the continuous distributions. We then talk about Bayes' theorem, which is a fundamental building block of probability. We derive the formula using real life example. We talk about the aspect of data generation of the Bayes' theorem. We also talk about real life examples for classification using Bayes' theorem. And finally, in light of classification, we talk about the notion of conditional independence. Understand that everything we cover here based on real life intuitive examples so that you don't have to memorize the formula. A lot of the lecture there are in the YouTube or in Google or in many other places where you will find some random math, some random theory and some derivation, and that's it. Well, this is not about that. This series is about real life examples and intuitive explanation of how actually you can apply these probability distributions to your real life needs. So I think the final video of this series is a real banger because we have covered total 17 probability distributions in this video series. But then the question is, how are they related to each other? So in the last video, we talked about the relationship and how they're related to each other. So that's all about probability distribution series, and this is all we cover in this series. So I'm going to give you the link of all the parts in the description of this video. So, I mean, I will suggest you to go through them sequentially, but if you feel like jumping into some particular probability distribution or some particular topic, you can immediately click the link in the description and go there. So if you like the video, feel free to subscribe and share. And also there is a donation link in the comments and the description. You can donate to our channel through the link. Thank you very much.